What's up, El Segundo? This is James Powell coming to you from the Aquatic Center, where instead of bobbing for apples, the kids are diving for pumpkins. The Parks and Rec Department held its annual Pumpkin Poolooza as a part of the city's Halloween weekend celebrations.
People just are fascinated by seeing pumpkins floating in the pool. A lot of people don't even know that pumpkins float. It's a great way to get people out to the pool for a Halloween event. We have the Halloween Frolic, and then we have this over here at the Aquatic Center.
The event had kids dive in a floating pumpkin patch, decorate the pumpkins, climb an obstacle course, eat candy, and swim to their heart's content.
We do it big for Halloween. We are kind of all hands on deck and get the community out for Halloween for the events. We have a whole lot of trick-or-treaters, so we want them to also be able to enjoy our park facilities and pool facilities.
Poolooza offered parents a chance to get their kids excited about coming to the pool.
They were really excited about it. They love Halloween, they love decorating pumpkins, and they love the pool. So when they're going to have pumpkin and pool together, naturally they were super excited about it.
The event provided a chance for families to continue a tradition and embrace the community spirit.
Well, I think it helps the community kind of come together, bond, have something special that they know they can do every year, that the kids can look forward to, and just a tradition that most families can start if they're looking for something like that to do.
Oh, well, I think it builds a lot of community, and if you take a look around you, there's a lot of kids here. There's probably more kids here than I've seen at this pool, and we've been coming all summer.
For Aquatic Center officials, the Halloween event signaled the start of the holiday season.
You get out people and they kind of get to kick off the holiday season. Things are getting a little bit colder. You have that holiday in between the start of school and Christmas, and it really gets all the kids out and doing something fun.
For the families that came out to the Poolooza, they got into the pool and came out with a gourd. For El Segundo Media, I'm James Powell.